Hey guys, so today we got this cool little box to put in the truck. It's actually going to be the new 6637 filter to get rid of this nasty, dusty AFE filter. And we're going to try and keep it enclosed like this. So I'm going to see if we can make this work or not. If not, I'm going to make something myself because I really do want to keep it enclosed and away from the heat of the engine. So yeah, let's get to it. Let me show you what I got. It's from Riff Raff, and look at that thing. It is huge. Look at that. To be honest, I wasn't expecting it to be this big, but it's pretty cool. They actually send you some pretty cool things with this, some stickers. A keychain bottle opener. And another pretty cool sticker. So now, the guys from Riff Raff, they are actually probably one of the places where you can get these the cheapest at. And they actually get these ones made specially for them. As you can see inside, they've got the wire mesh as well as on the outside. So it's a little more, durable, a little stronger. And it's a great product. I like it. It should work just fine on my truck. So in case you're wondering, why I'm going from an AFE to the 6637 when the AFE is supposed to be, the better, more expensive option. And it's basically because I don't like the oil-styled filters. Especially where I live, it gets pretty dusty, and these filters get clogged up pretty fast. I don't know if you can tell. This one's already pretty dusty, and I cleaned it out not that long ago. And I just don't like it. I'm afraid of the turbo or the engine to get dusted. And when I take this off, I'll show you that you can actually see quite a bit of dust in the tube. But anyways, I'm gonna take this off and then I'll check back with you. But yeah, basically that's the reason why I want to go with this filter. Plus I like it better. I think it looks better. I don't know if it flows better. I mean, you think it should. It's a lot bigger than the AFE, and but I don't know. Actually, R&D Diesel and Diesel Reese made some pretty cool videos. Diesel Reese made a video comparing all the different 6637 style filters, and R&D Diesel made a video comparing the oil styled filters to the 6637, which is one of the reasons why I decided that I really did want to go with these type of filters. So if you want more info on them, check out their videos. I'll probably link them down in my description so you can go and check them out. But anyways, I'm gonna get to installing this on the truck. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you. Do you see all that? That's dust going into your engine, to your turbo. So that's why we want to get rid of this filter and go to the 6637. That should take care of that problem. And by the way, this thing's still looking mean. I mean, look at it. If you haven't seen the video on this install, I'll link it so you can check it out, because I think it turned out great. But anyways, let's go back to this. Guys, so it's been a few days later, but anyways, I've got the filter right here and I've got my 4-inch pipe. All right. Well, anyways, so what I've done is I've done some pie cuts on it because I want to get that 45. And I've got it tacked on there for now. I'm actually going to take this to work and get it TIG welded, see how well that turns out. But anyways, I've got the first part, and I'll show you later, but I got to do a few other pie cuts on this other side. This is going to be the end that's going to fit into the filter. And this other end is going to go into the engine, and I've got to figure out those pie cuts. But anyways, it's actually pretty nice. I like it. I like the way it's turning out. I didn't really record the part of me doing the pie cuts. I was kind of in a hurry to do that, but they turned out pretty decent. I can't wait to get them welded. Check this out, guys. It looks great. I've got it in place, all tacked in place. I did all those pie cuts, and then I did one more right here. But it was just the ends to get one little band so that it would shoot straight into the turbos intake, and it looks great. So I think all I gotta do now is take this to work on Monday. It's Saturday right now, so on Monday I'm gonna take it to work, get it TIG welded, and it's gonna be done. Alright, so I want to do a quick side-by-side comparison on these two filters. Now check it out. Check the size difference between the AFE and the 6637. No, it is taller. It is just bigger, wider, all around. And I think it's going to be a much better filter. This is just all dirty and nasty and oily. And I'm happy that I got this, and that I'm going to I'm happy that I got this, and that I'm gonna be going to it. And I think it's gonna look really clean. Once this is all nice and welded, I'm gonna throw some paint over this because I don't think that my welds are gonna look that great. But anyways, I know I didn't show you to do the pie cuts, and that's something that a lot of people want to learn. And that's because I myself am learning how to do them as well. But if this turns out good, which is so far I'm happy with it, how it looks, I'm actually going to be doing a whole intercooler setup myself with doing pie cuts and 3-inch pipe. And when I do that, I will show you guys a much better video. Maybe I'll do a whole video on how I do my pie cuts. But what was I going? Where was I getting with this? Anyways, yeah, that intercooler setup, I'm looking for an intercooler right now. I don't know if I want to get a 6.0 or a 7.3 intercooler, whatever I can find for the best price. And once I find that, I am going to start doing the all the intercooler pipes and all that myself with pie cuts. That's kind of the reason why I did this small project, to see if I could do it. And now that I've done it, I'm pretty sure that I can. And that's kind of something that I recommend. You know, try to do small projects, something that's easy to take like this, and before you try to do a bigger project. And you're kind of just going up in levels, you know. Once you do this and you were able to do it, then you can step up to the, you know, the next, you know, bigger thing, which is what I'm doing right now. But anyways, it's looking great. I like it, but I think that's all that I'm gonna be able to do tonight. We'll finish this up on Monday.